Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today I'm going to show you how to get the legendary artifact in the Poppy Field. The Poppy Field is one of the most dangerous yet beautiful places in Stalker 2. Hidden within it lies the legendary weird flower artifact. Let me show you how to find it and make it help alive. To survive the Poppy Field, you'll need the right gear. Number 1 here is the high tier anomaly detector, an anti-radiation drugs and protective armor, grenade or silence weapons for sneaky encounters, and don't forget medkits. You're going to need them. Head to the Poppy Field in the northern part of the map. The field is crawling with gravitational and electrical anomalies. Use bolts to safely test your path and follow your detector signal to zero in on the weird flower artifact. Once you spot the weird flower, approach slowly as it is usually surrounded by anomalies. As soon as you grab it, expect trouble. Bandits and mutants are often drawn to this area. Use cover, grenades, or just sprint for the exit if things get too hairy. That is it. I hope this video helps some, please. Don't forget to share this video to your friends. And if you find this video helpful, please leave a like and subscribe. Thank you for watching. Goodbye.